All right, welcome back, guys. We're going to start what I like to call the F1 car series. Redoing old videos from the past. Inventor has been changed since then a little bit, so I just want to make this as up-to-date as possible. And I've learned a few things along the way, so hopefully this won't be as bad, especially the few commands. Like the whole command is completely changed, so you'll get confused if you see it. So here we go. All right, so we're going to do a metric. Yes, you see Mr. Burns there on my screen. Excellent. New metric mm.ipt. Load it. Okay, start your 2D sketch, XY plane, and go. All right, we're going to start off with drawing some lines. Simple lines. Please start in the middle. That will make your life and my life easier. 15 to the right. Going down, 15. To do that, press escape. Hit line again, because I want to go down this way. I want to go down from the middle. 7 down. Go to the right, 6. Down here, align that 15 with that, and there you go. Next, we're going to make an arc. You're going to click the 2 endpoints, move it out like so, and then you are going to type in 20. There we go. Looks good. All right. Go ahead and press your finish sketch. Okay. Next, we're going to do a good old-fashioned revolve. You love doing these. You've done these a few times, so revolve. If you have everything solid, it should automatically turn a little bit blue. You click the axis. Boom. There it is. Press OK. All right. You're like, that's kind of a wheel, but not quite. Well, we're not done yet. All right. So here is your next step. We are going to use a whole command. I clicked it a moment ago before I realized my screen was back up and going. So whole command. Okay. We want to do 3. It defaults in inches. I have no idea why, but if you just type in 3, you should be fine. Click here. Then you have to click on the outside of the circle, which will act as a symmetrical circle and go all the way through. Your through all should be already clicked. That's the default. Press OK. Now you have the axle hole. Job well done on that. Okay, next step, we're going to do a fillet. We've done these before. We're going to leave it the default. Here are the parts I need you to fillet. The front, outside, the inside hole, and then the other inside hole. And press OK. So starting to slowly look like a tire. We're getting there. All right, next step is a shell. Okay, if you're struggling finding the shell, it's right next to fillet. Look at my screen if you need to. Here's how shell works. Shift and scroll, look at the back of it. We're going to leave it on the default as 1. Click here. Press OK. If you don't click, nothing's going to happen. So if you don't click and press OK, you'll see shell, but nothing's going to happen. So you have to erase it and do it again. That's probably the #1 common mistake. So there we go. All right. It's time to actually color our shell, our tire. And I'm just going to go a black. There we go. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a sharper black than that one. So, or if you want your own color, don't care. There we go. Nice sharp black right there. Okay, it looks like a Pinewood Derby car if you guys were in Scouts or something like that at a young age. So, yeah, there we go. So, next we're going to put some lettering on here. Okay, next we're going to make a plane above here. I was just kind of playing around with it real quick before you guys did it. So, I would know how to do it because it's kind of acting weird on me. So, make sure you expand down the origin planes here. That way you can see them all. Under plane, you're going to go offset from plane. You're going to click on the one that's in the back. Mine is the XZ plane. Go -15. And press enter. Now, it should be within the object, which is kind of what I want. All right. In order to create the text on here, which you see I did it already once because I was practicing. I do that a lot. We have to do a project geometry first. So when you click this, I'm going to click this inside circle like this. Okay. What that does was that will allow me to be able to create geometry around that circle. That way it's curved. All right. Under text, you have 2 options, text and geometry text. Click on that in geometry text. The first thing I need you to do this little flip right here. What that will do is if you don't do that, your words will come in backwards. It gets to be a lot of fun. Type in whatever you need on here for your tire, Rhinemoith, Goodyear. We'd love to have your name on there, but if not, it's fine. Press OK, and if you put your mouse over it, you should be able to see it. If you did, you did good. You done did good. Okay. Press Finish Sketch. We're just going to do an extrude now, because that's probably the easiest way to bring the text out. And once you click on it, you'll automatically see that it's going the wrong direction, which I'm just going to go flippy, and now it's going to go out. Let's look at 1 millimeter. That looks good. Press OK. All right. Now, it's hard to see because it's black. So I'm going to right-click on Extrusion 1 and go down to Properties. And I'm just going to make mine white, like Lightning McQueen, white wall tires. Just a regular old-fashioned white. There it is. Press OK. You're done. All right. If you want to hide the work plane, just right-click on it over here. Go Visibility. Go Visibility. And you're done. All right. Do me a favor. When you save this, just to make your life easy, I would like you to create a folder called F1 Car. It will make your life easy because we're going to make a bunch of files. F1 Car. Okay. Go ahead and click on this. Call it Tire. And you're good. Press Save. All right. First video is done, or whatever order this is going to go in this year. All right. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video. Bye.